Justice Kola Olalere of the Industrial Court sitting in Ibadan has fined the Oyo State chapter of the Nigeria Union of Teachers a sum of 250,000 naira for assaulting a court bailiff identified as Makinde at the premises of the Nigeria Union of Teachers Ring Road, where he was sent to file a court process. Tuesday's sitting is meant for ruling on application filed by the state government to replace the initial suit filed before the court, but Justice Kola Olalere insisted that she will not deliver the ruling unless those who manhandled her staff are produced and face the appropriate charges. All plea by counsel to the third defendant, the Nigeria Union of Teachers, Waheed Olajide, and other counsels, including the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice in the state, Olusegun Abimbola, proved abortive. Later, the presiding judge agreed that the union must pay compensation to the bailiff. In his ruling on the matter, Justice Olalere compelled the union to pay a sum of 250,000 naira to the court bailiff on or before August 12, 2016. Counsels to the parties, Olusegun Abimbola, Waheed Olajide, and the Secretary of the Nigeria Union of Teachers in the state, Waheed Olajide, bear their mind on the issue.
That when there is a disagreement, parties need to allow the constitutional provisions to prevail. When there is a disagreement between parties or even between individuals, there is always a legal way of going about it. You don't become reckless, you don't become unlawful simply because you have a disagreement. And you would have heard from
well, you see, like I said in the open court, it is wrong of any litigants or any of the litigants' agents to assault court officials. I don't take kindly to it. The only thing we are saying is that these people were not there at that time.
Well, you have listened to the position of the court and the counsel has even pleaded that there be extension for the deadline for payment.
However, ruling on the application filed by the Oyo State government to replace the initial suit before the court with a fresh one, Justice Wale Olalere maintained that the action was contrary to Orders 19, Section 17 of the Rule of the Industrial Court, which stipulate that the action must be in written form to the court and other parties. She, on the other hand, relied on Order 5, Rule 3 of the same court, which stipulates that the court could use its discretion to allow such oral application, noting that the third respondent has not been able to show any proof of how much such methods has impaired on the case, since matter remained at preliminary stage. Justice Kola Olalere therefore struck out the suit, while the case will continue in Lagos as she proceeds on vacation.
Well, the case is still before the court. I can't speak about the case. The case is before the court. But again, I think you are more interested in a resolution, not that you are interested in the case. And I think parties are talking about a resolution.
The court will decide the fate of the case. I will have my opinion. When I get to the court, we will ventilate our position on it. It is for the court to decide the fate of the new suit. Striking out in a layman's language. Ordinarily, when you strike out a matter, it means the other party can come back. However, in some instances, a striking out may also mean a dismissal, which will debar you from coming back. So it all depends on the circumstances of the case.
However, the Nigeria Labour Congress has vowed to continue with the strike.